consists two or more connected subgraph. This S3, we take graph S3. This graph S3 is a disconnected. Is con- it contains consisting two connected subgraph. So first connected subgraph is one first component, second connected subgraph is second connected. So disconnected graph consists two or more connected subgraph. Each of is this connected subgraph is known as a component. The component of a graph G is also known as a maximal connected subgraph. Connected graph has one component. Disconnected graph have two or more connected subgraph. Each of these connected subgraph is known as a component. A component is a trivial if it has no edges. Otherwise, it is non-trivial. An isolated vertex is a vertex of degree 0. So, this null graph, so each vertex is known as an isolated vertex because no edge connected that vertices. Take this graph. In this graph, this vertex, no edge incident on this vertex, so this vertex is isolated. Degree of this vertex is 0. Remaining vertices are of degree 2. Now here the some result. Every graph with n vertices and k edges has n minus k components. This first graph is a graph with two vertices and one component. K is equal to 1 edges, so one component. Here second graph consisting three vertices and two edges, so it is also a connected and one component. In third graph consisting 6 vertices and number of edges contains 3 edges, and here 3 components. This first subgraph, connected subgraph, is first component. This isolated vertex itself a subgraph is a second component, and this consisting single edge is a subgraph connected is also a third component. In 4 illustration is a illustration of a graph with 6 vertices and 3 edges with 4 components. So these 3 isolated vertex are 3 component, and this connected subgraph is also a 1 component. Total are 4 components. Now what is Euler graph? Euler graph is a graph, it has a closed trail containing all edges. This graph is a Euler graph. This graph contains a closed trail containing all edges of the given graph except the starting vertex. So this graph is a Euler graph, and type of curves. There are 3 type of curves: always traversable curve, sometime traversable curve, never traversable curve. Euler graph is always traversable curve. We start from any vertex and we finish same vertex. So Euler graph, a graph is a Euler if it has closed trail like this containing all edges except the starting. This graph is always traversable. We starting from any vertex and we finish same vertex. So this is a always traversable curve. Now second type of curves, sometime traversable curve. Now which is sometime traversable curve? A graph it travels sometime, not always. We starting from some special vertex, then it is traversable. Otherwise not. You try this graph is sometime traversable. We start from particular vertex, then it is traversable. Otherwise not traversable. Now even graph. What is even graph? And what is even vertex? An even graph is a graph with vertex degree all even. This graph is a graph with vertex degree all even. Degree of this vertex is 2 because two edges are incident on that vertex. Degree of this vertex is also 2. These are vertices are of degree 2. Now what is degree of these vertices? These two vertices. Degree of this vertex is 4. Why? 4 is also even. 4 edges are incident on this vertex. So this vertex is also even degree. This vertex. So all degree are of even degree. So this graph is a even graph. So this graph is also a Euler graph. Euler graph in Euler graph, connected graph, Euler graph is also a connected graph and degree of each vertex is even. That graph is a Euler graph. So even graph. Now what is odd graph? A vertex is odd when its degree is odd. Vertex is even when its degree is even. Now there is some special well-known problem, Königsberg-Bridge problem. In this Königsberg-Bridge problem, unsolved from very long period. This problem is unsolved from very long period. If solution after long time, when solution exists, then what type of solution? So we see what is Königsberg-Bridge problem. In Königsberg-Bridge problem, Königsberg is a city on a Prigl river in Prussia. The city occupied 2 islands plus area on both banks. Here this is a problem. This 2 island, island W and island Y connected with 7 bridges, and outside area this land X and this land Z connected with 7 bridges. Now what is problem? Problem is whether they could leave home, cross every bridge exactly once and return home. Is this type of walk is possible? A salesman want to traverse every bridge exactly once. no bridge appear more than once. Now, what is solution of this problem? After a long time, solution exists, and what type of solution exists? This type of work is not possible, because now this problem is put in mathematical model form. A vertex is a region and an edge is a path or bridge between two regions, and this problem put in this network diagram. Now here two island W and Y and X and Z, we take as a vertex as a region, and this edges E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E7 are path bridge between two regions, and edge is a path between two regions. This conic bridge problem we put in a network diagram, mathematical model. We prepare a model. Now there are three type of curves: always traversible curve, sometime traversible curve, never traversible curve. Now conic bridge problem is which type of curve? Always traversible, or sometime traversible, or never traversible. This conic bridge problem, this figure is not a Euler graph. Why? Degree of each vertex are not even. Why? What is degree of vertex X? Degree of vertex X is 3. Degree of vertex W is 5, odd number. Degree of vertex Z and Y is 3, is also a odd number. Degree of each vertex is not even, so this graph is not Euler graph or sometime traversible curve. Now what is sometime traversible curve? This figure is a sometime traversible curve. Here, if there exists exactly two vertices of what degree? There exist exactly two vertices of odd degree. Here, degree of this first vertex is 1. Odd. Degree of this vertex is also odd, 1. What is degree of this vertex? Degree of this vertex is 2. Two edges are incident on this vertex. Degree of this vertex is 2. Degree of this vertex is 4. Because of 4 edges are incident on this vertex. Degree of this vertex is also 4. So which graph is sometime traversible? So sometime traversible curve is a curve in which there exist exactly two vertices of odd degree. Here this vertex is of odd degree and this vertex is also of degree. So no exactly two vertices are of degree. So this graph is sometime traversible curve. We traverse from this first odd vertex and we finish second odd vertex. This is a walk. This walk is known as a unicursor walk. This graph is known as a unicursor graph. Always traversible curve is a Euler graph. Sometime traversible curve or graph is a unicursor graph. And remaining graph are never traversible. Now we check this graph is traversable or always traversable or sometime traversable or never traversable. Now there are three type of curves: always traversable curve, sometime traversable curve, never traversable curve. So what type of this graph? Find degree of each vertex. Degree of each vertex. Each degree of each vertex are of even degree? No. Degree of this vertex is not even. What is degree of this vertex? 5 edges are incident on this vertex. So degree of this vertex is 5 odd. So not all degree are even. So this graph is not a Euler graph. So this graph is not a always traversable. Now what is second type of curve? Sometime traversable. What is definition of sometime traversable curve? There exist exactly two vertices of odd degree. In this graph, there exactly two vertices of odd degree. Only these two vertices are of odd degree. Remaining vertices are of even degree. So this graph is sometime traversable. Now, how many odd vertices in this graph? So this vertex is odd, this vertex is odd, this vertex is odd. So here this is not always traversable curve Euler graph. This is not sometime traversable because they does not contains exactly two vertices of odd degree. So remaining graphs are never traversable curve. So we see three type of curves: always traversable curves, never traversable curves, and sometime traversable curves. Now we see further example. This graph consists